Ahoy there, everybody! Captain Granite here with another motovlog. Today, what the hell is up with the gas prices? Stay tuned. What's up, everybody? So, last night I filled up the car with gas. It was $2.79 a gallon. My wife is hot. Oh, it says psychotic. I get it. His wife is psychotic. I got it. I get it. And his license plate says yay. Yay! Anyway. Gas prices, like, Jiminy Christmas. Okay, I paid $2.79 a gallon last night for the car. I'll point that out, the car. So I use 93 in the old Xbox here, and yeah, that's $3.79 this morning, and gas prices for regular went up from $2.79 to $3.07 overnight.
What? What the fuck?
What? I mean, thankfully I bought gas last night, but holy, I get that apparently there's some sort of Russian, air quotes, Russian hack bullshit going on, and parts of the pipeline or whatever got shut down. Like, this happened like last week, and we just found out about it on Monday or Tuesday. Today's Wednesday. Why are the bells? I'm not late to work, am I? No, it's 7:48. Why are there bells? Is my clock on my motorcycle wrong? No? Well, yeah. I mean, my clock on my motorcycle is wrong. But it's still not 8 o'clock. I'm still not technically late to work. I'm gonna be late to work. That's a thing. That's gonna happen. Anyway. So yeah, gas prices, wow. I mean, look up here, 307 here too. Absolutely crazy. I mean, it jumped over 30 cents for a gallon overnight. And I thought they said last night that it was back in like, maybe they meant like smaller pipelines were up and active again, the larger one wasn't. I don't know. I half listen to the news now, because everything that they say on the news I take with a cup of like a grain of salt. You know, maybe I should just use like a cup of salt, because there's a lot of mumbo jumbo. I always just think that the news spreads fear anyway. I mean, tell me about, you know, a bank robbery or like local news. Just tell me local news. I don't want to know nationwide news. And then throw in a puff piece about red pandas and fluffy kittens. That usually smooths things over. Everyone's getting their coffee too. You know, who cares about gas prices? There's a turn lane for a reason, lady. So yeah, I'm back to the office now. So the commute, I actually have a commute. I just don't have to walk upstairs anymore. So yeah, I actually have a full-blown commute to work again. So I won't be missing. I shouldn't. Okay, I gotta say, I shouldn't be missing any work. Hey, tell me something about your town or city that's the worst part of it. Right there. Okay, the drugs and crap might be the worst part of the town and city, but they're pretty on par with how awful this town and city is. Now, I really do enjoy riding to work again. That's about as far as that gets. Other than that, no. I would rather be working from home. nobody at the office that I work at wants to be there, but our lease isn't up until like next year, so we're kind of stuck being there for another year. I mean, I had my whole office at home all set up. I mean, I had basically 4 monitors going at one time, and now being at the office, I'm down to 2, and just the internet is so awful at work. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not my internet. I mean, we're splitting. I should have shifted down. I know I should have shifted down. Yeah, we're splitting 250 meg internet between 6 people, and the upload is only like 10 or 12 between 4 or 5 people. How many people are in the office? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there's 6. So on normal days I get maybe 30. When I'm at home I get over a gig internet and 50 upload. Like, I'd much rather have my internet. Thank you. I should actually go and get my bike inspected today while I'm actually out and about here. I'm just curious to see what the gas prices is like up here. Maybe I should have waited. And I actually didn't even get to put 93 in my bike. I had to use 91. And that was the first time I filled up the bike all year, so it was good to get like not shitty gas in. Ooh, $2.99 a gallon for regular. $2.89 for diesel? Oh, diesel cash only. Okay. I love how cash is different than regular card. Makes perfect freaking sense. But yeah, we'll come back to this one. We'll come back. So I will catch you guys in a matter of seconds.
Thousands of tears later.
I'm gonna go get the bike inspected. It's nice out. I don't really feel like putting my helmet on. Good, you? Should probably have checked to see if I had a mask first.
2 very boring minutes later.
That was a little bit harder to see.
Yeah. just do the turn signals and then brake one?
Sure.
Yep. Yeah, and then you brake. Cool. One more time? Yeah, there you go. Nice. And then high, low beam.
Low.
Yep. And right turn signal. Okay. Mileage 9706.
Yep.
Five minutes later.
They try to charge me for a free inspection.
The following day.
Well, good morning, everybody. Here it is the next day. I didn't record riding home yesterday. Man, was it windy? I mean, it was probably like 25, 30 mile per hour wind. And honestly, I was getting blown just... oh, boy. Oh, boy. I was getting blown. No. Yes. But not in that sense. I was getting all over the road. Damn it, that didn't sound good either. The wind was blowing the motorcycle all over the road. Oh, scooter, bro! Get on it!
Yeah, boy.
Give it some juice! No, no juice. Oh, man. But yeah, the wind was hitting me pretty damn good. I just wanted to stay focused on the road. I had some music going, so I was just kind of in my own element. So here we are the next day. Gas prices, not as bad. 301 up here compared to, what was it, 309, 307 yesterday when we came through here. That thing is adorable. I like this little loader thing here. That's cool. Anyway, yeah, 301 for regular. I believe from what I was reading, they got some of the smaller pipelines back working, but like the main big pipeline is like gone, like just still shut down. So, but they said it should be on by tomorrow. So you see all these people filling up freaking trash bags with gasoline. I mean, come on, people. And like sap tanks. Okay, so the sap tanks I can kind of understand. Using, not buying all this gas because of fear. Who puts it in trash bags and then throws it in the trunk of their car? I mean, common sense is out the window. I'm not worried. I mean, I don't care what the gas price is. I have to get to work. I have to pay for it. So I have to buy it. What's it here? 307. 307 for regular. So I guess prices are still around the same here. I mean, 301, 307. Well, it is what it is. And then, oh man, just the news is so depressing. There's stuff going on with Israel. I mean, North Korea is restarting their nuclear program. What the hell happened? It's like, okay, COVID hit, you know, let's pause on the craziness. Except for toilet paper. I mean, we had to have something. And then as soon as, I'm not even saying COVID's gone, I'm saying we've hit a lull with this whole COVID stuff, and now people are hitting the fucking crazy button like, buy gas, buy gas. So yeah, has any of this gasoline crisis, I have people that are subscribed to me all around the world, a lot of people from the South, has this affected you in any sort of way? I want to know. Put it down in the comments. It's kind of crazy that this vlog has gone on for 2 days now. This is not normal at all. And then you saw some footage of me going to get my my bike inspected. Let me just clear the air a little bit on that. So I bought this motorcycle at HK Power Sports in Hooksett, New Hampshire. This up here is HK Power Sports in Laconia. They will not service my vehicle, vehicle. They will not service my motorcycle. They won't even look at it. Like, if I want a rear tire put on or a front tire, an oil change, nope, I have to take it somewhere else. I'm okay with that. That is completely understandable. I don't hold any negativity towards that. Though it says Polaris on the sign, and I don't care who you are, Victory, Indian, it's Polaris. It's just badged that way. It doesn't matter how you shake the stick at it. It's Indian is a Polaris. Victory is a Polaris. Even though their sign says Polaris, they won't touch it. Because you need a Victory certified tech or whatever. Probably the same way for Indian, I don't know. That would be my guess. You need an Indian tech to service your vehicle. Motorcycle. Fuck, why do I keep saying vehicle? See, this is what I get for having winter. I keep saying vehicle. So yeah, I mean, I get it. So it's either I take it to HK Power Sports in Hooksett, or I take it to Rochester Motorsports in Rochester, which, you know what? Rochester has always treated me right. Always treated me right. HK Hooksett? No, not even close. I mean, yes, I bought the motorcycle there. Guy was wonderful. The salesperson, incredible. Such a nice guy. He's not there anymore, which makes me sad because he was probably one of the best salespeople they had. You know, HK Laconia, just they'll inspect it. That's as far as it goes. And since I bought the vehicle, oh my god! Since I bought the motorcycle at HK, I get free inspections for the lifetime of the motorcycle. I almost said it again. I hate myself. There's a sticker on this motorcycle that says HK Power Sports right on it. The guy has to look at it. And I know he saw it. So when I went back inside, he goes, okay, that'll be 40 bucks or whatever it was. I think it was 40 bucks. I was half listening, because I was just waiting for him to give me my my registration back, and he goes, yeah, it'll be 40 bucks. I went, it should be free. And he kind of like looked at me like I had 3 heads. I'm like, no, it should be free. Holy jet. I bet you Kanye's on that jet. So, and he goes, oh, did you buy it at HK? I'm like, yes, I did. He goes, do you have your rewards card? I'm like, yeah. And he goes, oh, okay. So here you go. He hands me my registration. I went, do you want to see my rewards card? And he goes, nah, I'm good. I'm still baffled by that a little bit. But maybe it's just an off moment. That's what I'm going to chalk it up to. It's just an off moment. So I want to end the vlog like now, because I want to get on my way home and lunchtime. I want to start a new one. So I'm going to end this one. Regardless, if you're in this area, HK's not bad, okay? They're not bad, they're just special. So, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, hit the like, follow me on Instagram, hit that subscribe button on here. I'm jumping from 2 different platforms, I know. But thank you all for being here, hanging out with me. Yeah. I will catch you guys on the next one.
All right. And after it's all over, you say, oh, what a lovely tea party.